Renault considers production of four-wheel drive electric 4. Renault CEO Fabrice Cambelive is actively advocating for the production of a four-wheel drive 4WD version of the Renault 4 electric vehicle. The decision on whether the Savine 4X4 concept will move into manufacturing is expected within weeks. Expanding market appeal, with 4WD Cambelive views the 4X4 model as a key addition to Renault's expanding EV lineup, particularly in northern European markets, where all-wheel drive capability is highly valued. The Savine distinguishes itself from traditional 4WD systems by employing an additional electric motor to power the rear axle. This innovative approach allows Renault to offer a rugged, capable version of its retro-inspired EV without the complexity of conventional mechanical systems. Strategic prioritization and future models. The primary factor delaying a final decision has been strategic prioritization within Renault's broader EV roadmap. The 4 is part of a trio of retro-styled EVs, following the Renault 5 and preceding the upcoming Twingo, all designed to evoke nostalgia while embracing electric technology. However, Cambelive emphasized that retro design will not be a universal feature of Renault's future models. He stated that upcoming vehicles in higher segments will focus on forward-looking designs rather than relying on past aesthetics. This signals a strategic shift. Retro styling is valuable when it resonates with customers, but Renault will not confine itself to this approach. Renault's core philosophy underpinning Renault's product strategy is the concept of joie de vivre, the joy of living, a guiding principle rooted in the company's 125-year history. Cambelive highlighted that Renault will leverage its heritage while innovating for the future, ensuring its vehicles remain engaging and relevant in a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. Renault is balancing nostalgia with practicality, positioning the 4X4 as a niche offering that could broaden the EV's reach while preparing for a more diverse future lineup. The company's commitment to joie de vivre suggests a focus on creating vehicles that are not just functional, but also enjoyable to drive and own.